bearings. They do be spinning, am I right? Well, sometimes they don't be spinning. But if you can't afford to buy a brand new set of bearings every single time, or you're just broke as fuck like me, then the best solution would be to clean them. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to clean your bearings. So let's go do that. Here's a list of the things you will need. A skate tool, needle or razor blade, isopropyl alcohol, paper towels, and some sort of bearing lubricant. Today I'm going to be using Bones Speed Cream. Speed Cream. Bones Speed Cream. That's so sus. Alright, so step one is to remove the wheels from your trucks. And this shouldn't take long. All you gotta do is use your skate tool, undo that one. Bolt, and then the wheel is off. Alright, so step two is to remove the bearings from the wheels. Now, some people have a hard time with this, but place it in only to the depth of the bearing. So pretty much like halfway through the wheel, and then just pry it back and use leverage, and then it should just come right off. Step three is to remove the shields from the bearings. Now this is where you need that bobby pin or needle or razor blade. I used a razor blade. Use the inside of that bearing as leverage and then kind of use it like a crowbar. You're gonna like bend upwards. You don't want to cut your fingers. You don't want to like pull or push at all. You literally just bend it and then it should pop right off. Step four is to soak the bearings in some sort of cleaner. I used isopropyl alcohol, and you can pretty much just toss them in there, and I pretty much just give it a good shake for like a minute or a couple minutes, and then that pretty much got the job done. Alright, step five is to dry and then re-lubricate the bearings. So I just pulled them out one by one and like tapped them against the paper towels, spun them a couple times to make sure it really dried out, and then just let them sit for a bit.
Look at all that dirt, boy.
And then I grabbed the Bones Speed Cream and put about 2 to 3 drops per bearing. After applying the drops, you want to spin them a couple times so that each of the balls inside get lubricated so that they can spin much more smoothly. Much more smoothly. And step 6 is just to replace the shields and then reassemble your wheels. So with my shields, I wanted to clean them off just so they looked a little bit better, and I also didn't want any of the dirt to get inside of the bearings, so I pretty much cleaned off the shields, and then they pop on very easily. You just literally place it on and then apply a little bit of pressure and then they pop right in. And then to put the bearing back on the wheel, all you have to do is put the bearing face down on the truck and then apply force with the wheel, and then they should just snap right in. All that's left is apply the little washer and then the bolt, and then you should be good to go. So yeah, thank you for watching. That's pretty much how I clean my bearings whenever I'm too broke to like buy a new set of bearings. If this video was helpful for you, go ahead and hit that like button. If it wasn't helpful at all and you're like, wow, CJ, that was a stupid ass video, that was completely pointless and it didn't help me at all, then hit the dislike button. I dare you. Also comment some stupid shit down below because why not? If you just comment some dumb shit, it'll make me happy. I like reading through comments because I'd be bored sometimes. Also, if you're curious what this 24 is, I got my girl 24 balloons because it was her 24th birthday. So that's what those are for, if you were curious. Wish her a happy birthday in the comments below as well. That'd be cool too. So yeah, subscribe if you want more skate content. I got more coming. I plan to make a bunch of random how-to videos because I feel like they're helpful. So if there's anything you need help with, type it in the comments, be like, hey, how do I blank? And then I'll make a video on that, you know? I can pretty much teach you anything. So, with that being said, damn, my mouth is hella gross looking. Anyways, bye.